English Hebrew Travel Toolkit is there.
האם יש?
Plus, where is?
איפה?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, traveler, grab your coffee. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more goodies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master 8 power phrases to survive any market, museum, or mystery snack in Hebrew, with laughs, drills, and your best radio voice. Ready? Let's roll. Your goal today. You'll recognize, say, and use these phrases fluently. Echo them out loud after me. Is there?
האם יש?
May I?
מותר לי.
I need.
אני צריך.
F.
אני צריכה.
Closing parenthesis. Where is?
איפה?
What is?
מה זה?
How much does cost?
כמה עולה?
I would like.
הייתי רוצה.
F.
הייתי רוצה.
Closing parenthesis. Can you?
אתה יכול.
To a woman.
את יכולה.
Closing parenthesis. Market mini dialogue, funny and useful. Picture this. You at a busy market, heroic music playing, and you bravely ordering snacks. You, hi, I would like 2 pitas, please.
הייתי רוצה.
Vendor, sure. You, thanks, by the way, how much does this cost?
כמה עולה זה?
You, is there fresh bread now?
האם יש?
You, may I taste this?
מותר לי.
You, I need water.
אני צריך.
F.
אני צריכה.
You, where is the cashier?
איפה?
You, what is this spice?
מה זה?
You, hands full, can you help me?
אתה יכול.
Quick pronunciation coach. Big breath, clear voice. Let's make the sounds smooth and confident. Echo me, is there?
האם יש?
Echo me, may I?
מותר לי.
Echo me, I need.
אני צריך.
F.
אני צריכה.
Echo me, where is?
איפה?
Echo me, what is?
מה זה?
Echo me, how much does cost?
כמה עולה?
Echo me, I would like.
הייתי רוצה.
Echo me, can you?
אתה יכול.
To a woman.
את יכולה.
Closing parenthesis. Culture tip. Shuck hacks. In Israeli markets, short, friendly questions are king. Smile, ask, and listen. Lead with price checks like,
כמה עולה?
and add a softener like, please.
בבקשה.
If you're lost.
איפה?
Gets quick results. And curiosity wins hearts. Point and say.
מה זה?
Bonus hack. Before assuming stock, ask politely with.
האם יש?
Call and response drill. You answer in Hebrew after the pause. I'll give the solution right after. Ask. Is there Wi-Fi? Answer.
האם יש לי וי-פיי?
Ask. May I sit here? Answer.
מותר לי לשבת כאן?
Say, I need water. M. Answer.
אני צריך מים.
F.
אני צריכה מים.
Closing parenthesis. Ask, where is the station? Answer.
איפה התחנה?
Ask, what is this? Answer.
מה זה?
Ask, how much does this cost? Answer.
כמה עולה זה?
Say politely, I would like coffee, please. M. Answer.
הייתי רוצה קפה, בבקשה.
Ask, can you help me, to a man? Answer.
אתה יכול לעזור לי?
Pop quiz, you've got this. Quick check, answer aloud. I'll reveal it after the pause. Q1. How do you ask, where is, in Hebrew? A.
איפה?
Q2. Say, may I take a photo? A.
מותר לי לצלם תמונה?
Q3. Ask the price. How much does, cost? A.
כמה עולה?
Q4. Say, I need a break. M. A.
אני צריך הפסקה.
Q5. Politely order, I would like a window seat. M. A.
הייתי רוצה מושב ליד החלון.
Your challenge. Level up with a mini mission today. Challenge 1. Ask 3 people for directions using.
איפה?
Challenge 2. Price check 2 items with.
כמה עולה?
Challenge 3. Request something politely with.
הייתי רוצה.
Or.
מותר לי.
Bonus teamwork. Ask a passerby, can you show me the way?
אתה יכול להראות לי את הדרך?
Wrap up and thanks. Nice work, your Hebrew superpowers just leveled up. Keep them sharp. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Practice these daily.
האם יש? מותר לי. אני צריך. איפה? מה זה? כמה עולה? הייתי רוצה.
And.
אתה יכול.
Keep exploring lessons, transcripts, and quizzes at www.synapse-lingo.com. Toda Rabba and see you next time.